The table of contents is a summary of chapter titles, subheadings, and page numbers within your manuscript. The first thing you'll need to do is set up each of your chapter titles and subheadings. Within your manuscript, highlight your subheading and then select a subhead. For chapter titles, highlight your chapter title and select the chapter title option. You will do this for every chapter and subheading within your document. Once all of your chapter titles and subheadings are set up, insert a blank page. On the blank page, click References, Table of Contents, and scroll through the numerous table of contents options. Once you've decided on the table of contents that works best for your book, select it and the table of contents will populate. If you later make changes within your document or page numbers change, for example, you can update the table of contents. Simply click Update Table in the menu. Once your table of contents is set up, you can simply click on any chapter title or subheading to jump around within your manuscript.